it's time to go. It's definitely time to go. What's up, YouTube? What's going on? What's the deal? What's the sit? Nah, for real though, your girl is a procrastinator, because I was supposed to do this a while ago. I started talking about doing it like good 4 or 5 years, but time was never right. Like, I never had the equipment, this, that, and the third. So I was like, you know what? If I keep waiting to be ready, I'm never gonna start. So I was like, let me just, yep, here I am, finally, 4 years late. We just gotta, you know, do a quick little get ready with me, because I'm definitely running late for work. I started this video. Yeah, I gotta go. But yeah, keep watching if you want to see how I went from busted to beauty. Boom, bitch.
So you're just gonna see me using an edge control brush, some got-to-be glue gel, a hair dryer, and a rat tail comb to lay my lace down. Once I finish my edges, I will be going in with some Milani concealer just to disguise all of the lace. And then you will see me taking a spray water bottle, some mousse that I found in my cabinet, I'm not sure where it's from, and a Denman brush, I think it's called, in order to refresh my curls. I do use the diffuser on my hair just for a few seconds because it's cold out this bitch. For my makeup, I usually start off with the Benefit Gimme Brow. It's a little mini size. And then I'm going to be going back in with my Milani concealer. Honestly, I'm going to be using this concealer a lot. That's all I use. But here you see me using them to shape and define my eyebrows.
Who at the time was Tia Williams, and she had no idea that one day I would see a million.
So now you will see me using my beauty blender to blend all of my foundation out. I am using the Milani 2-in-1 Concealing Foundation in the shade 9. And now I'm just going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and using that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and under my cheekbones, which is kind of like a contour substitute for me. Now, despite the fact that I know full and well I don't have time for this step, I'm gonna be putting some eyeliner on. This eyeliner literally came from Family Dollar. I think it was like $1. Now just a little mascara because I know I don't have time for falsies.
That's tough.
And now I'm going in with this highlighting cream from So Susan Cosmetics on the bridge of my nose and my cheekbones.
No funny shit, I gotta go. But, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, show your friends, show your mama, show your mama's mama. All of that shit. That would mean so much to me. I would appreciate it so much. And yeah.